This is the trade recap for October 16th, 2025. This is the trade I took today on QQQ, utilizing supply and demand, key levels, and incorporating the EMAs for extra confirmation. So let's get on the chart and do the trade recap. This is the QQQ chart on the 5-minute time frame. So as you can see here, this green area right here was a level of demand. You can see when we initially came down and hit this area of demand, we did have a reaction from it. And we also came down and held below this pre-market low level at the same time, hitting this demand, getting the reaction. But we did not candle close above the pre-market low level, which is a very important level. And once we rejected from pre-market low, we came down and dumped through this demand zone, invalidating the zone, essentially turning this demand zone into a supply zone. Because if we go through the zone, it invalidates the zone, but it can be used as an area. What was once support can now be resistance. So this area became an area of supply. As you can see, we did come back up into this area of which is now supply, rejected, came down, holding below this supply and below pre-market low level. Once we came down here, I waited for a retest of the 9 EMA. As you can see, the 9 EMAs below the 21 and the 50, which is a bearish indication. So once we came and touched the 9 EMA, I entered my position on puts. I put my stop loss above the 9 and 21 EMA, and I got a 1 to 2.8 risk to reward ratio on this trade using a very simple concept like supply and demand, key levels, and incorporating the EMAs. If you guys want to learn these very easy to understand concepts and strategies, then just shoot me a follow, like, subscribe, and share the video.